Hello, friends. Imagine you are going on a long journey. You have to walk for many miles. You have to climb mountains. What do you carry with you? Do you carry heavy things or do you carry light things? Today's story is about a mysterious man who walked across the world. Nobody knew his name. They just called him the Traveler. The traveler was very old, but he walked very fast. He had a smile on his face. He whistled happy songs. But the most interesting thing about him was his bags. He carried 2 bags, but he wore them in a strange way. He had one bag hanging on his chest in front of him, and he had one bag hanging on his back behind him. Why did he carry them like this? The people in the villages were very curious. One day, the traveler arrived in a town called Valley View. He sat down by the fountain to drink some water. A man from the village walked up to him. Let's call him Mr. Grumpy. Mr. Grumpy was not a happy man. His face was red. He always complained. "It is too hot," complained Mr. Grumpy. "My coffee is cold. My shoes hurt." Mr. Grumpy looked at the traveler. "Hey, old man," said Mr. Grumpy, "why do you carry 2 bags? Are you moving house?" The traveler smiled. "No, these are my memories." "Your memories?" asked Mr. Grumpy. "Yes," said the traveler. "I carry everything that happens to me in these bags." Mr. Grumpy pointed to the bag on the traveler's chest, the front bag. "What is in this one?" he asked. "It looks full." The traveler patted the front bag gently. "Ah," said the traveler, "this is the good bag. In this bag, I put all the good things that happen to me. When a friend is kind to me, I write it on a piece of paper, and I put it in this bag. When I see a beautiful sunset, I put the memory in this bag. When I eat a delicious apple, I put the memory in this bag." The traveler looked down at the bag. He said, "I keep this bag right in front of my heart. Every time I walk, I look down, I see the bag, and I remember the good things. It makes me happy. It makes my step light." Mr. Grumpy nodded. "Okay, that makes sense." Then he pointed to the bag on the traveler's back, the bag behind him. "And what is in that one?" The traveler laughed. "Ah, this is the bad bag. In this bag, I put all the bad things. When someone shouts at me, I put it in the back bag. When I fall down and hurt my knee, I put it in the back bag. When I am lonely or sad, I throw it over my shoulder into the back bag." Mr. Grumpy looked at the back bag. It looked very big. "It must be heavy," said Mr. Grumpy. "You are an old man, carrying all those bad memories on your shoulders. It must hurt your shoulders. It must make you tired." The traveler smiled a secret smile. "No," said the traveler, "it is not heavy. It is very light." "How?" asked Mr. Grumpy. The traveler took the bag off his back. He showed it to Mr. Grumpy. "Look closer," said the traveler. Mr. Grumpy looked at the bottom of the bag. There was a big hole, a giant hole cut in the bottom of the fabric. "It's broken!" shouted Mr. Grumpy. "It has a hole." "Exactly," said the traveler. "I put the bad words in the top, but they fall out of the bottom. When someone insults me, I put it in the bag. I walk one step and it falls out. I leave it on the ground. I don't carry it with me. I never clean this bag. I never check it. I just throw the trash over my shoulder and the hole does the work. By the time I reach the next village, my back bag is empty." Mr. Grumpy stood silent. He thought about his own bags. Mr. Grumpy did the opposite. He carried his bad bag in front of him. He looked at his problems all day. "He was rude to me in 1995. She stole my pen last week. It rained on my birthday." He counted his bad memories. He touched them. He kept them safe. And his good bag? He kept that on his back. When something good happened, he threw it over his shoulder and it had a hole. He forgot the good things immediately. That is why Mr. Grumpy was tired. He was carrying a mountain of rocks in front of his heart. The traveler put his bags back on, the good bag in front, the bad bag with the hole in back. "My friend," said the traveler, "we all have a long road to walk. You cannot stop bad things from happening. People will be rude, it will rain, you will make mistakes, but you decide what to carry." The traveler stood up. He whistled his happy song, and he walked away down the dusty road. Mr. Grumpy watched him go. Mr. Grumpy looked at his own bags. He felt the weight of his anger. He looked at the ground. He decided to make a change. He decided to cut a hole in his bag. This is a short story, but it is a big lesson. I want you to check your bags today. What are you carrying in front of you? Are you carrying an argument from yesterday? Are you carrying a mistake from last year? If you look at the bad things all day, your journey will be hard, your legs will be heavy. Take a pair of scissors. Cut a hole in the bag behind you. Let the anger fall out. Let the sadness fall out. Leave it on the side of the road. Don't take it home. And keep the good things, the smile of your child, the taste of your coffee, this story, keep them in the front bag. Keep them where you can see them. Thank you for listening to The Traveler with Two Bags. Travel light, my friends. Goodbye.